The potential outreach with video is massive online. 92% of global internet users watch videos online every single week. These figures grow larger and larger every single day as video content becomes a mainstay of internet culture and how we interact with the digital world around us. We offer a range of services within our video department, but filming and editing video is the forerunner of our day-to-day operations. We have created thousands of videos across every industry in multiple countries across the world. Not only do we create the content, but we know how to market and push the content online, exploiting the algorithm to generate high levels of viewership and engagement. So if you want to generate more engagement online, grow your digital presence, and you see the value of having video content as an asset within your business, reach out to us today and we'll be happy to help.
Have you ever wondered why your website isn't performing as you'd like? Perhaps it's too slow, maybe it's not getting enough traffic, or quite simply, maybe you're not getting enough sales or engagement. At ProfileTree, we have the experience and expertise to take your website to the next level. With our digital strategy and our custom development, we take a very holistic approach to an open and transparent relationship, developing a clear and precise digital strategy for your business. Our expert team of developers are skilled in all things web design, from the initial design and concepting phase right through development and optimization. It's not just about building and developing a website, but it's how to market that website. From SEO optimization, as we mentioned, to content creation and even video marketing, it's pulling your entire digital strategy together and blending it with your website so that you get the most impact for the results of your website and your traffic online in order to generate sales and leads for your business. So whether it's focusing on adding more calls to action to engage your audience and make sure they know how to navigate your website, or maybe it's creating a keyword strategy that's very clearly going to target a refined market or a niche, we can help you by creating a strategy today.
In today's digital world, having an online presence is essential as a means of putting your business on the map and reaching as many potential customers as possible. We can help you on your journey of transforming your business across all aspects of digital strategy, including website design, development and e-commerce, Google Maps or other map platforms, search engine optimization or SEO, social media, paid advertising tools such as Facebook ads and pay-per-click advertising, video marketing, and of course, AI tools to improve your productivity, marketing, and reduce costs. In the past 3 years, we have provided training to over 500 businesses in the Greater Belfast area alone. Whether you're a small family-run company or a public organisation, we can help you to build your brand online and bridge the gap between you and your potential customers. If you're ready to develop a full digital strategy, improve your digital skills, and reach new customers online, get in touch with us today.